Once upon a time in a jungle, there lived a huge elephant named Gundu. He had one big problem: he sneezed a lot. Every time Gundu sneezed, the whole jungle shook like an earthquake. One day, Gundu sneezed so loudly that all the bananas fell from the trees. The monkeys were shocked but also happy, they got free bananas. The next day, Gundu walked past the birds' nests and eggs rolled out and birds flew in panic. "Gundu, stop sneezing," shouted a parrot. Gundu felt sad. "I can't help it," he sniffled. Then, clever rabbit Chintu had an idea. He gave Gundu a giant handkerchief stitched from 10 bedsheets. "Use this when you feel like sneezing." Next time Gundu sneezed, he used the hanky. No shaking trees, no flying birds, just a quiet "Ekhu." Everyone clapped. Gundu smiled, and the jungle was peaceful again, but suddenly, "Ekhu!" The hanky flew like a parachute, carrying Chintu the rabbit with it. "I'm flying." Chintu laughed. Now, every time Gundu sneezes, it's a jungle ride for Chintu.